Hello, everyone. I'm Michael Mina, founder of Mina Group.
Hi, everybody. This is Chef Adam Sobel here from Las Vegas.
Hi, my name is Johanne Killeen. I'm the chef and owner of a Forno restaurant.
When I first went on a trip through Italy as a chef and experienced probably the greatest trip that I've ever had in my life.
Livio has taken me on some of the greatest trips of my life and opened up doors that I never thought were possible. The education, the experience, and the relationships that have been built from Livio's expertise have changed the course of my career.
We have traveled together for many years, and he's an expert on not only Italian cooking, but the history of Italian cooking, which is the foundation that I'm always looking for and researching myself.
He's guided us starting from the very beginning when we went to Terra Madre and Salon de Gusto. I mean, it's like he knew everybody.
One or two of the greatest trips I've had in my life from a culinary experience. And it's because Livio became our best friend. It was a group of people that were all in the food and beverage space, and he couldn't have catered to us any better.
He is one of the most detail-oriented people I know, and perfect for anyone who wants to learn about especially Italian food and wine.
We visit wineries, winemakers, and producers, and he actually knows them. He knows them better than we do, even though we import their wines.
Every one of us really got to have the experience that we wanted.
I highly recommend his services. He's an incredible resource, an incredibly kind gentleman.
That's about all I can say. He does a great job.